Hello brother and sister, today I will going to give a review for a lightweight toolbox and very cheap from brand DeLi. Here is the type number DL432013A. Okay, here is the size, it's shown in here. I bought it mainly for filling my pedicure and manicure equipment inside here because I don't need heavy duty toolbox. And you can see the DeLi toolbox, it comes with a cantilever system, so it can save the space inside the toolbox and make it more compact. Okay, now we are going to measure the weight of this toolbox. Around 590 grams. The weight is around, wait a minute, is around 19 centimeter. The bottom weight is around 17 centimeter. The length would be 31 centimeter. So I will bring you to see how the company make the inside of this toolbox. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pocket at the middle, and at the bottom is clearly shown a loose space. Okay, only one compartment. Then at the above 1, 2, and 3 pocket. Okay, now I will show you how I use this DeLi toolbox. Here is how I use this toolbox. Wait a minute. I put my keyless shaving machine and the cartridge of the keyless shaving machine. Okay, I put all in here, also with the cartridge, the spare cartridge of the keyless shaving machine. The brush I put at above, and with the rubber cleaner for nail also put at above. The brush for cleaning the tools or maybe your nail, I put in here. The cuticle remover I put in here. The little knife, the manual razor blade color saver, and three four kind of the colors abrasive filer I put in here. And I also have the colors filer from the Better brand from Mr. Green. I put that here. The alcohol wipes I put in here. The nail plier from Mr. Green also I put in here. Nail plier also from Mr. Green put in here. And here is the assortment from Mr. Green also. I'm sorry, from Mr. Green. Cuticle pusher put in here. Also cuticle pusher and nail picker I put in here. The tweezer from Mr. Green I put in here. The steel nail filer from Mr. Green I put in here. The nano glass from Mr. Green, and the rest is cheaper nano file. Okay, I put in here. And a knife set for cleaning our callus from Mr. Green also. Put at the bottom. And here is the nail filer from Mr. Green. From Mr. Green. Okay. I put in here. And the last one, the nail cutter from Mr. Green, the smaller and bigger size. And not to forget the cable charger for the callus remover machine shaver. I put in here. So you can see all is complete. The system very compact, practical, and ready to go. Okay. Now I will measure it, the weight of my system, around 1.7 kilogram. I think that all my review of the pedicure and manicure system simple system, not complicated, but very complete tools. Okay, thank you for watching this video.